Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1965 Mustang Convertible. This one here is believed to be 260 under the hood. Let's get the power steering set up. We're going to be walking around checking everything out that we can so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Does look like we have front disc brakes on this one. Drum in the rear. I like walking around these cars. Anything that I see, I'll let you know about. You can also see 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. We have financing, we have shipping available. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll see videos like this daily. We'll go ahead and thank you in advance for sharing. That helps us out a lot. Let's get started. So you can tell the front bumper on this one has been replaced. It's nice and clean. And coming around the front end, there's a little chip right here. It's right below the front bumper. The grill looks nice and clean. We're gonna go down the sides. I like hitting the lower portion first, looking for any kind of issues. That's usually where everything starts. We'll get down here and check it out. You have a chip right there at the bottom of the panel. You also have a chip at the corner of the door there. There's a dent in this back quarter. Real small. It's just very far to the back there. Coming down the mid section. Trim here's got a very small amount of pitting on it. Same with the door handle. Coming down the top section here. A few little dimples here on the front. Front windshield looks nice and clean. The trim around the front windshield's nice. It's pretty good. A few little scuffs where the top meets. A little bit of pitting on this trim back here. And the top looks fairly new. You can check out the top in the detailed pictures. That is at maplemotors.com. Looking at the back end here, dual exhaust. The rear bumper has been changed out. A little bit of pitting popping up on the tail lights there. Coming down this side, we're going to hit the lower portions, come back to midsection and hit the top. Got a scratch right there. It's been touched up on the paint. A chip in the lower portion there, and the paint looks a little thick right here coming off of the door on that edge. You can see it kind of running. Picked up some dirt from the road. Coming back to midsection. I'm not going to turn around, the shadow would be all in y'all's way, so just keep running you this way. Do have a chip right here on top of the door. Same thing, a little bit of pitting on that trim. Okay, we've made it all the way around this car. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out, get her started up, give you some undercarriage shots, and of course we'll check all these lights and turn signals. The interior on this thing looks great. See, the seat's in great condition. It's not all tore up. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this car? A little game we play on the channel. Got new carpet. The door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping looks decent. Check the bottom of the door here. Solid. Weather stripping's ripped right there, but at least it's at the bottom. Checking the jams. Very clean in here. We'll go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. We'll go ahead and check the radio as well. What are we on here? It says AM. I don't know. Maybe stuck on AM. No, just cut it back on. Blower motor's cutting on. Hear the vent flipping. Got the heat on. Radio is working. Wipers seem to be in good shape. Try them out. They're working as well. Show you the mileage. Can't stand behind it, but I can show you. It is saying 24,375. Can't stand behind it because this is a 65 model. Temp gauge is coming up. Gas gauge is on E. We will stop and get gas during the test drive to double check that. Let's see about this horn. It works. Might as well try the top. Let's go up with it. Top's coming up. Let's jump out and check it out. I'm gonna put it right back down for the test drive, but top's new. You can definitely tell. Back glass looks brand new. Everything looks nice and clean, no rips. It hasn't been up very much. It's all wrinkled. Good deal. So we'll go ahead and put it back down. Check this motor out. Another thing I'm going to do real quick. Turn the lights on and the left turn signal. Hood comes down nice and easy. Shuts easy. Headlights are on. Turn signal's on. Looks like the right tail light may be out. Left turn signal's on and the tail light's on. Try the other side. Right turn signal is working. Right tail light. The bulb should probably be blown, I'd say. The front one works as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots, but I definitely want you to check out maplemotors.com so you can see them detailed pictures. It's very important that you see everything, all the information we provide. That way you know what you're buying. Let's look up under this one, and of course on the test drive, I light the undercarriage up and drive over the camera. Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Post videos like this every day. Go ahead and thank you ahead of time for sharing these videos. That helps us out greatly. Right after I do the test drive on the white Mustang, I'm gonna jump over here on the Impala. So we constantly have videos coming out for y'all. MapleMotors.com has all of our inventory. We have financing options. We have shipping options. We also have wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. YouTube is just an outlet where you can see more about the cars and kind of interact with us throughout a test drive and a walk around. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to get back with you. Otherwise, our number is 615-822-4444. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.